how to connect Telegram wallet with Bybit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Telegram wallet with Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Bybit app or website and click on Assets. Over here, click on Withdraw and search for Tcoin. After that, select Tcoin to proceed. Then you need to get the wallet address from your Telegram wallet. Open the Telegram wallet and over here, click on Receive. Copy your Ton wallet address from here. After that, go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address into the required field. Then choose the appropriate network. Over here, note that the tag or memo is not required when sending to a Telegram wallet. Next, enter the amount of Tcoin you want to send and click on Withdraw. So that's how you can connect your Telegram wallet with Bybit. That's all for this video.